Bonjour, c'est Madame Sacco et aujourd'hui nous allons parler des adjectifs interrogatifs et démonstratifs. L'année dernière, on a parlé déjà des adjectifs interrogatifs. So we already talked about interrogative adjectives last year. These adjectives mean which. And they change according to what the noun is that you're talking about. So for example, which boy, quel garçon. So the masculine singular is just Q-U-E-L, feminine singular, double the L and add an E. And for the plurals, you add an S. And again, they agree with the noun that they're modifying, which is typically the noun that's after it. Les adjectifs démonstratifs, these are the equivalent in English of this, that, these, or those. So the masculine singular is ce, feminine singular cette, and the plural for both is c'est. The only thing you need to be careful of here is that if you have a masculine singular noun that starts with a vowel or an H, you need to change it to set, C-E-T. So for example, quel garçon, ce garçon. Quel garçon, ces garçons. Quelle fille, cette fille. Quelle fille, ces filles. Quel homme, cet homme. So notice again that they're agreeing, and this happens whether it's a person or a thing. To differentiate between one thing versus another, like this boy here, that boy there, for example, I can use ci and la. So, ce garçon-ci would be this boy here versus ce garçon là, that boy there. Okay, you don't have to do that, but it does help if you're differentiating between one thing versus another. So make sure you take some notes on this and then go to the Kia to get some practice in. Merci et au revoir.